First, I gotta ask you because people say all the time, all right, we're learning more about YouTube right now. We're learning more about thumbnails right now. Are there anything with this word SEO? Does it matter? Are there any, hacks, or is there any like websites we can go to kind of improve it? What would be your advice on the SEO part of trying to gain traction and visibility?
There actually is kind of an art to it. I'm not sure if YouTube is still as they enforce this as much, but when you're uploading a video, for example, there's like keywords that you can use, whether in the title, the description, and even the tags underneath. You can actually, type in literally like SEO. You can be like, if it's a vlog about, I don't know, cooking chicken nuggets, let's just say. Then you put in every single word that you can possibly think of when it's like, okay, if someone's trying to find a recipe for chicken nuggets, what are they writing? Okay, chicken nugget recipe, chicken nuggets. And it's like just any word that is associated with that helps. But there actually is a data tool that I use called vidIQ. It's VIDIQ. And basically you like link your YouTube account with that, and they scan everything from your title, your tags, your description box, your thumbnail, and everything, and give you kind of like a rank of like, okay, how successful will this video be? If people are searching up this term, what number does your video like show up as? So I always try to make sure my video is showing up at the first 10 of whatever, like the first 10 videos of the search bar of whatever like topic it is. So if I'm vlogging about Dubai, for example, I posted a Dubai vlog. I want to make sure when someone searches Dubai travel or Dubai video, like my video is on that first page of YouTube search. So vidIQ is a tool that really helps with that.